Let's quickly look at the laws of logarithms. I believe you can recall the laws of indices, because the laws of indices and logarithms, they are not very far from each other. But for today's video, let's focus on the laws of logarithms. The first one, when you have log of base b raised to the power b. When you have log of base b raised to the power b, that is equal to 1. That is the law, the first one. An example that we can give here, an example can be if you have log of base 2 raised to the power 2. Just know that is equal to 1. The second one, when you have a log of b, that is equal to, you take this a, you write it as an exponent, then you're going to have log of b. In this case, b is not a base, just a number. Then the a becomes an exponent, like that. Example can be if you have 2 log 4, for example, that becomes log of 4 to the power 2. The third one, suppose you have log of a minus log of b. Suppose you have that. What is it equal to? We are assuming that this a and b, they are numbers. That is equal to, because of the difference, it will be equal to, let me use the same color, it will be equal to log, because of that difference, we now bring in division. The a becomes the numerator, the b becomes the denominator. Then you're going to have a over b. You can have your own example. Just replace the a and the b by numbers, and then you'll see what you can get. But for interest sake, we can give an example as suppose you have, maybe I should write it here. Suppose you have log of, let's say 20 minus log of 4. That will be equal to, you write log, because of minus, you write the 20 as a numerator, over, and then the 4 is the denominator, like that. Now this we can simplify to get log 20 divided by 4, that is 5. You don't need to put the brackets if you want. Law number 4, Here we have minus. Now what if we have addition? Suppose you have log A plus log of B. Here we have minus, we said bring in division. What about if we have plus? Then we bring in multiplication. Then we just write log and then A times B times B. Now an example that we can give on this one, suppose you have, let's use the same numbers, 20 plus, sorry for that, plus log of 4, that will be equal to, we write log, because of plus we have to multiply 20 by 4, equal to then you're going to write log 20 times 4, that is 8. That is how you do it. Now for interest's sake, we can add the fifth law, which is not commonly used, especially if you are in maybe grade 9 or something. Sorry. Suppose you have log of base B raised to the power, log of base A raised to the power B. Now this one is normally used when you want to change the base from A to B. Now what we do, this becomes 1 over log of, instead of A, we are changing the base. Instead of A, we now write B to the power A. This is actually the reciprocal of the bases. That is how you do it. In summary, these are the 5 laws that you need to know in order for you to solve any question on logarithms. Now, apart from these laws, you also need to know the laws of logarithms of base 10, which I covered in the other video. If you want to see that, you can check other videos. Please subscribe for more videos.